let me put y'all on this amazing Tideway hair dryer from the TikTok shop. It has 2 settings, low and high, and then a few different heat settings. It has a hot, a cold, and then just like a medium. And if you're like me, I have been struggling to find a good hair dryer since I've gotten 26-inch hair extensions. And my hair dryer that I had literally took so long to blow dry my hair. And this one has cut the time in half. And it has a little magnetic attachment piece. And now you see here, I took it off. It just doesn't blow dry as good, I don't feel like, because of when you take it off, it gets a fuller range of all your hair. So if y'all are looking for a new hair dryer, y'all go check this one out in the TikTok shop. I'll have it linked down in the shopping cart below. And y'all just keep on watching and see how fast this hair dryer blows dry my hair. Bye, girls. Now that we are finally almost finished drying, here is some hair oil that I put on the ends of my hair to keep my extensions looking nice and healthy. And seriously, if y'all need a new hair dryer, y'all go check this one out in the TikTok shop. And the link is down in the shopping cart. And look at this after. It is amazing.